Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the theme of the Beep application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that, you should just look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will see the more option. Press on it and in this page you should select the last option, which is settings, and you can just select here the appearance option in this page. And you will see there down below that there is the app theme section. For me it is set currently to the night mode, but normally if you didn't change the app theme, like not even once, it's going to be in the native setting. You can also change it to day mode, to night blue, to lavender, to orange, and if you change it you can just go back and you can see that the changes were just made. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.